Dustin! Hi! Hello mga sis! It's me again, Shriver J! Ayan, so for today's video guys, ay pupunta ako ng Gateway Mall. Ayan, kasi manonood ako ng black screening. Ayan, so update ko kayo guys. Outfit check!
In the shade of the willow where the cool breezes sigh, clouds drift like dreams in the warm summer sky. Every shadow's a secret, every rustle a song. In this dance of the moments, I've been longing so long. With the river's soft murmur and the stars overhead, I can hear the sweet promise of the...
We're here na guys sa Gateway Mall. Una ka din kasi umalis eh.
Nakita ko yung parang kaluluwa ko lumabas sa katawan ko.
So papasok na kami guys. Wait.
Dreams waiting ahead, birds weaving their stories through the soft morning light, whispering tales of freedom in their graceful flight. Freedom's a breath that I take in the night.
Dito na kami.
Just you and me. As the dawn paints the valleys with a brush dipped in gold, we'll follow horizons where the wonders unfold. Every step of the journey, every moment we share.
atake, guys.
In the shade of the willow where the cool breezes sigh, clouds drift like dreams in the warm summer sky. Every shadow's a secret, every rustle a song. In this dance of the moments, I've been longing so long. With the river's soft murmur and the stars overhead, I can hear the sweet promise of the dreams waiting ahead. Birds weaving their stories through the soft morning light, whispering tales of freedom in their.
Of course, mga nakita na nga po natin sila. Makakasama po natin sila ngayong hapong ito. Pero again, maraming salamat po sa suporta po ninyo. And eto na po, palakpakan na po natin Team Laban Dustin Yu and Bianca De Vera! Yes! Siyempre gusto lang po nila dumaan muna sa stage. Dahil, ay please, bati lang muna.
Ayan, hello everyone! Ayan ang Hi guys! Hello po sa aming Team Laban. Unang-una sa lahat, gusto ko lang po sabihin kung gaano kaganda na-mount yung event. Grabe from the entrance. Tapos talagang bawat cinema may kanya-kanyang pasabog. May kanya-kanyang freebies. Kaya naman sa lahat po ng admins namin, we know that this is a lot of hard work. We want you to know na we see you like I always tell you guys, and we really appreciate you. And ayan, mahal na mahal namin kayo, and to everyone else who sponsored each block screening, please know na talagang na-appreciate namin to. Ayan, Merry Christmas guys! We love you. We're so happy and we're so glad to be spending this Christmas with you. And we hope that this is not going to be our last Christmas together. Sana ay kada taon ay binabati natin yung isa't isa ng Merry Christmas. Kaya naman, Merry Christmas!
Parang first time ako patiin ng Merry Christmas.
Pati na
So, hi everyone! Una sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat talaga sa inyo. Sa Tosbia family, maraming salamat sa Team Laban. Thank you so much. Dahil sa mga admins namin, of course, hindi ito magiging posible kung wala kayo. At sobrang first time namin ito ma-experience. Kaming dalawa. So grabe, nakakatuwa lang at meron kaming ganitong support system.
May parang magyakapan niya.
Nakakatuwa lang may ganito kaming support system from you guys. And mahal na mahal namin kayo. Sobra. Hindi namin kayo iiwan. So,
At dahil dyan, kakanta kami ng buko na. Alam. Okay lang. Merry Christmas, guys!
Merry Christmas,
Sa
guys.
lahat ng manonood pa lang, please enjoy the show. And alam ko most of you here, alam ko second, third, or fourth time nyo na manood. And yeah, sobrang natutuwa kami na nag-enjoy kayo. And ayan, enjoy guys! Love you!
thank you guys.
We love you so much. At dahil meron tayong support system, magpalakpakan system naman tayo para sa kanilang dalawa. Thank you. Okay, punta lang sila dito. Interview lang po. Thank you so much. Dito po tayo sa side. Okay, ito na yung interview mo.
Graceful flight,
Dustin! Hi!
Excited na ako, guys.
Excited na.
In a silence where the heart can be free, in the echo of hope, it's just you and me. As the dawn paints the valleys with a brush dipped in gold, we'll follow horizons where the wonders unfold. Every step of the journey, every moment we share, is a taste of that freedom hanging sweet in the air.
Kabili na ng ticket. Enjoy it to those sa manonood pa lang. Enjoy, guys!
Ayan, hello guys! Hi, that's Gia family. First of all, maraming salamat sa inyo sa oras niyo sa pagpunta dito. Sobrang na-appreciate namin kayo and ito. So, maraming salamat.
Again, syempre maraming salamat. And of course, Jasbia, Jasbia. Ayan, syempre, again, maraming salamat. And of course, pupunta lang kami sa mga booth, silang dalawa to enjoy. Also, kayo din later, pwede nyo ma-enjoy ating mga booth. Let's go. And, what's starting na MOS?
Hi, tita! Hello po! Hello po! Ingay mo natin ba?
Okay.
Ingay. Roj. Dami OJ. J, D. E, F. Ay, ito. J. Dito po sa likod. 16! 16? Ano ako? J? Apa. 13 ako. 17 ka, Jay. Dito ka. 19 ako. Magwawala si ate mama. Wait lang. Harap natin mga Jimmy natin.
Meron pong mga Jimmy.
Apa. Kasi collab po natin yung Jen. Ano.
May mga ibang artist po na pupunta.
Meron po. Marami na actually.
Marami po lang pupunta. Mga Jimmy yung iba.
Ang layo mo, girl. Actually, sa akin yung ticket eh. Ari ka, girl.
Sino ba yan?
Wala. Extra ko to eh. Mayaman ako eh. Kumuha ko sa kumuha din.
Si Miss Ivor.
Yeah.
swerte ng ticket ko, guys. Nasa nasa harap lang namin dun sa baba sila, guys. Doon sila, guys.
Clouds drift like dreams in the warm summer sky. Every shadow's a secret, every rustle a song. In this dance of the moments, I've been longing so long. With the river soft murmur and the stars overhead, I can hear the sweet promise of the dreams waiting ahead. Birds weaving their stories through the soft morning light, whispering tales of freedom and the embrace we fly. Freedom's a breath that I take in tonight. A flicker
Teka, birthday mo, di ba?
just spark in my
Tama ba?
silence where the
Basta isigaw mo lang.
Isalandas na tinata ng mga mata mong umingisi o aking
Nice meeting you too, Hannah.
ipangnais.
Congratulations! Congratulations! And...
Parang kulang.
Parang kulang pa eh.
Kulang pa yun? Ang dami-dami naman. You're the love of my life.
Si Milo.
Ayan, magandang hapon po. Maligayang Pasko po sa ating lahat. Of course, reminders lang po. Ang dami natin. Maraming salamat. Reminder lamang po, please, strictly no recording sa mga scenes na importante po. Sa lahat po ng pelikula, bawal po yun. Wag po natin i-post. And also, wag po natin pangunahan din yung mga napanood na po natin. Wag po tayo mag-spoil kasi yung iba hindi pa po nakakapanood. Awa na lang po sa lahat mga nagpagod at gumawa ng pelikula. Kaya po kami nandito para pasalamatan po kayong lahat. Nandito po ang Dasvia. Katawagin na natin Wasinyu and Bianca Rivera. Yes, huwag kayo malito. Marshall pa lang yun. Eto na! Of course, our boss. Thank you for coming. For our gym executive, Miss Joy, Miss Trish,
Bianca!
and Miss Rose. Thank you po.
Dustin! Dustin! Love you, Milo! Guys!
Okay? Sige po, pababayin na po natin. And this video, thank everyone for supporting our film. Go ahead.
Wow! Hi everyone! Maraming salamat po sa oras niyo. Thank you for being here. Thank you for spending this season with us. Ayan, we're very, very excited for you guys to watch the film. Yan lang, hindi na namin ito patatagalin. Enjoy guys! Sorry po na tumigil po siya midway. But, ayan.
Ayan, hello everyone! Mag-highlight pala. And sana na-enjoy nyo so far yung film. And please help us promote Love You So Bad. And also, just want to say hi to our bosses, Miss Tracy, Miss Joy, si Renzi, of course, and to Ivor. Thank you so much sa time niyo talaga. At to my mom and my tita, hello, hello. See you later. Ayun, ingat po kayo palagi at sana na-enjoy nyo.
Okay. Don't worry about me.
Sinabi sa akin yung totoo! Ano ba akala mo, ha? That I couldn't handle it? You thought that I deserved to be ghosted more than knowing the truth? Lahiya! Gago ka! Ginago mo ako! Gago ka! Para akong tae! Now you're saying all of this because you love me?
Ana,
Because of my mom? My mom who left me? My mom who abandoned me? Di ba alam mo naman yun? Ang totoo, hindi mo na alam mo yun! Alam mo yun, Ellie! Bakit sa'yo pinapaniwalaan mo? Why?
Ana, mahal ka lang namin. Mahal ka lang.
Sama kayo!
Yun ang gagawin.
Ayan na. Ano na sa LA? Ay.
Ana,
First come, first serve.
I'm really sorry. Dapat nagtiwala ako sa pagmamahal mo.
Wearing accent.
Uwi, ana. Sobrang ganda ng movie, guys.
Yeah, super.
Now I
Pero
gets ko na.
Maganda ganun ending eh, para walang away.
Oo, tsaka gets ko kung ano, para saan yung story.
Kaya
Oo.
nga, parang feeling ko relate ako na inunang mahalin yung sarili mo. Ay,
Oo, tama.
mas better talaga.
Ay, interview. Interview na. Ano sabihin mo? Interview ka daw, girl.
Bakit ako?
Baka mag-viral. Bye! Marami pa tao, guys. Kasi meron pang susunod na mga black screening. Ay, yung tabaw. Time zone!
Lagi pa ito babalik, hindi mo yan.
Oscar, hello! Nakaka! Yan. Ayoko, baka muna. Yan. Basta for me, yung story is for LA and Savannah. Diba? Parang pinagseselos nila lang yung kwento doon kay pinagsiselos lang ni Vic tsaka ni Savannah si LA nung nag-break sila, gano'n.
Diba? The main focus of the story, how you will prove to yourself that how you can love yourself.
Taray, diba? Basta ganda guys, sobrang worth it. Pero nagulat ako dun sa kay Ann.
Sick! Ay, sick! Well, pala lang it's okay na to be okay!
Sobrang galing.